Hello.
Hi.
So Karishma, where are we headed?
We're off for our second dose of our vaccine, so it's good.
Okay, let's hope we don't get any side effects you've heard about?
Not so much side effects, but I believe the second dose is worse than the first one in terms of just recuperating. So I think more body ache, potential fever. So we just have to watch that one out.
Yeah. Anyways, there's a cop over there. I better put my phone down. Tesla Model Y. Vaccine time, guys. Time to get the second vaccine dose. This is a Kia Telluride, the Kia SUV. It's a nice big SUV, Kia Telluride. And then this is the Volvo. And here's the Tesla Model 3 in red. Nice Tesla Model 3. Alright, let's go into the vaccine place. Thank you.
No problem. You shall brave one?
Yeah. Waiting area, guys. Karishma, how was yours? Karishma's was good. And great job to the Holy Name Medical Center. Congratulations, Karishma.
Thank you, and you too.
So happy vaccination day. Yeah. And we are very lucky where we get the vaccine at the Richard Rhoda Community Center. They always give a couple of snack or lunch boxes. So today what have we got? Like a wrap and a pasta from whatever Beckar Grill. Nice Tesla Model Y, and let's roll. You got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
All right, whenever you're ready. Karishma is driving, so I can do some vlogging. That's how the car looks from the top. And now, thankfully today, guys, there wasn't much of crowd because everyone's on their second vaccine, at least in our area. So we got parking easily, we got in line easily, and it was very quick. And I would have inserted a clip, but today's video is not about the vaccine, it's about our life insurance policies that we have.
The route includes unpaved roads. In 300 feet, turn right. So caution, unpaved roads. Now turn right. Caution, unpaved roads. Please follow the road for half a mile.
Yeah, so the navigation is on because I keep getting confused with this location. And
prepare to turn right.
Check out the grounds here, guys. Every small city has their community center with all these facilities: football, soccer, every facility, swimming, tennis courts, everything. That is in the US so awesome because you at least feel your tax dollars are being put to use when you see all these facilities. I mean, just see this endless grounds, all part of the community center of Teaneck. We are in Teaneck city, which is next to,
in a quarter of a mile, turn right,
which is next to Fort Lee. So now the navigation will keep interrupting my mind and my flow. But I want to make this video about life insurance. Now, life insurance is a bit of a taboo topic because obviously nobody wants to talk about, you know, what happens if, right?
Now turn right.
But Karishma and I actually have life insurances in India because we were living in India and we've continued it. We had Max New York Life Insurance from India, which we started when we started our jobs. And then we did that term life and all that stuff. So, but when we moved to US, we said that life insurance, whatever we took in India is fine for rupees and Indian payments. But what about dollars? You know, we need something secure
now
here.
Turn right.
And we also have it through the employer, but then those are not as great. If you take your own policy as well, it's much better. Here are all the tennis courts. it just rained, I think, yesterday, so it's very green and beautiful. And we are just navigating our way home, so I'm a little distracted, but I want to make the video like I'm making a lot of videos for you guys. We decided to also take a US life insurance for Karishma and me, and we took a Max New York life insurance, which is for life. We didn't take a term payment. And then they came to the house. This was 3-4 years back when we moved here. They came to the house, did a medical check, right, Karishma?
Yeah,
all that?
all the medical checks, and I think
blood.
we took our blood samples for the blood tests and all that kind of good stuff.
So we did all that and got the approval, and now we pay. It's not that much to pay. It's $50-60 a month we pay for our life insurances. So Karishma and I both have a separate policy, because obviously if something happens to one, the other should not, you know, have all burdens on them. So yeah, it's part of life, and it's part of especially the current scenario where life is unpredictable. These past 2 years, you don't know when is your, you know, end date or whatever, expiry date approaching. So always do something secure to make sure your family are safe.
Now turn left onto Route 4 East and then immediately turn slight right.
Oh. Yeah, so we are on our main highway to home, so we are fine now, no more navigation interruptions. So guys, I was saying, please, you know, when you get married, when you get into a job, I know you're young, you're healthy, you don't think about these things, but please get a life insurance policy. It can be a term life policy, which is like till you're 60, 65, or it can be for life, which is just a pure life insurance, and not a return on investment kind of life insurance. They're not so expensive. Check it out with Max New York Life or any other policies in your location. It's very helpful. So we've actually kept both active, because we paid the India policy for so many years that we felt, why should we stop it after paying for that many years of investment kind of. So we are continuing it, and definitely we've got the US one also. So we are covered on double aspects. Just see this stupid guy here. He took a turn just in front of us. This truck. Road Scholar Transport. Ridiculous. I mean, we were at a decent speed, and he just decided to take a right, come onto the main road, and he's such a huge truck. Thankfully, Karishma had distance, and she, you know, put the brakes. It's just ridiculous. Okay, this is Overpeck Golf Course on our right. So US has a lot of golf courses also. Filling some fuel in the Merc. So we usually fill the Plus, which is $2.99 per gallon. 1 gallon is a little more than 3 liters. And the premium is 3.13, super is 3.25. Anyways, with so many distractions, I think I should wind up this video. It's getting to be too many things happening while we drive back home. So I'm going to sign out, but let me know in the comments, guys, what you have done for life insurances or policies or whatever you plan to do. You know, one thing is to build a career and earn and then save money, but also take security of your life and, you know, your family's life. So if you're the breadwinner, especially alone in your family, make sure you do this for the whole family. So, you know, never say never. You never know how life will turn. So do that, and wish everyone safe and happy weeks ahead. And we just got our second vaccine. We are very privileged and obliged about it. So if you can get your vaccine, please get it right away. Take care, guys. Signing out. Karishma, I'm logging off.
Take care, everyone. Be safe.
Yes.
Okay.
Karishma's driving. So take care, guys. Bye.